Hi there. In this QuickBooks Online video, we'll quickly take a look at bills and checks. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks.intuit.com/CA. Again, I'm in Canada. That's what the /CA is for. I'm going to scroll down and find the test drive. I'm not a robot. I'll choose expenses, new transaction, bill. So bills are purchases. They're purchase transactions on account. I'm going to pick up our supplies depot. Our terms are net 30 with them, so we have 30 days to pay this thing. And supply detail 598. Supply depot, that is. And I'm going to purchase some items for resale, so I'm going to use the item detail section there for that. It allows me to pick items that we have listed in the products and services. So we're going to be buying some pad folios, or sorry, guest books. There we are, guest books. I'll buy 10 of those. And these guest books also incur, well, everything is picks up sales tax in Ontario, and they also incur some shipping. So I don't presently have a shipping expense account, so I'm going to quickly add one on the fly. And Office General Administrative is probably fine. And I'll say shipping expense. Save and close. And the amount is $25 plus HST. So there's my bill. Again, this affects accounts payable. It's credit to accounts payable. I'll choose save and close. Choose new transaction. And now a check is for payment at the time of purchase, cash on delivery. So we pay our membership dues to this organization of outstanding events. It's our professional organization. And notice when I picked up that payee or supplier, this line item automatically popped in. That's because this was the last transaction entered. They used this exact same line item on the last transaction entered for OOE, and it's still accurate. So QuickBooks Online attempts to help you out a little by entering the last transaction that you entered for vendor, and it happens to be the exact same transaction that I want to enter today. Now, this is a transaction that we enter once a year, so I want to be reminded of that transaction. I don't want to have to enter it again, so I can choose make recurring, and I'm going to use yearly, 1st of January, and I'll have it start January 1st, 2022, and I'll save template. So when I did that, it didn't actually enter the transaction. Notice it doesn't appear down here. There's no OO. I mean, it was on January 1st, but if I move up to January 1st, it won't appear. So in order to enter the transaction, imagine now that it's January 1st, 2022. I'll click on my gear icon, recurring transactions. There it is there. I'll twirl next to edit and choose use, and then enter the date that we're entering the transaction on. Again, imagine that it's now January 1st. Now we save and close, and the transaction's actually entered. There it is there. So that's two very common transaction types on the payable side. Again, bills are purchase invoices on account. Checks are COD, or payment at the time of purchase. Thanks so much for watching.